Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying this brush on gel nail kit from Kiss. I got this at Walmart for only $10. This kit claims to be great for beginners. It is mistake proof and it has the quickest soak off time. So we will put this to the test to see if it's true. This is the kit right here. And the kit brings a brush on gel, a nail activator, and a cleaner. It also brings French tips, which I might not be using, and clear tips. Those are the ones that I will be using today. This is what the tip looks like. I love that it has a holder. And it also brings a nail file with a buffer and a smoother on each side. It brings a little stick for us to push back the cuticles. And it brings instructions. I went ahead and I read all of the instructions. I love that it has pictures showing you how to apply it, and then it also has a lot of details on how to do it. So they make the process a little bit easier. So I start by pushing my cuticles back with the little stick that the kit brought. Make sure that you guys do this a little bit gently. And then I go ahead and I file away the natural shine of my nail bed, just so that we have a nice base for the tips to stick better. And also do this gently. So this is how it looks after I do that. I go ahead and I grab a nail polish remover with a little cotton pad so that I can remove all of the excess that we have on our nails after filing. So now what I do is I go ahead and I start checking which nail tips are going to fit best on each nail. And I like to put them in order and put them aside just so that it is a little bit easier for me to find the nail tips once I start the process. So once I find all of the nails, the first step is the gel. So the gel is kind of like a glue. So this is what's going to make the nail tip stick to your natural nail. So I apply a generous amount to the tip and I put the nail tip on my nail. And I press it on for at least 10 seconds so that I make sure that it is nice and tight. And then I grab the sides for an extra 5 seconds just so that we make sure that the sides are nice and tight as well. And I repeat the same process for all of my nails. Then I go ahead and I grab the cleaner. What the cleaner does is it melts the gel and it makes the nail tip look a little bit even so that it doesn't have like a bump. I don't know if you know what I mean, but you're just going to apply it around the end of the tip and your nail so that they can blend together. And this is how the nails look after we put them on and I do the cleaner around. So as you can see, they are very even. So now I snap off the little holders, and what I do is I do back and forth motion and very gently until they snap. Then I go ahead and I grab the nail file that the kit brought and just file away the little pieces that were left from the little holders. Alright, so for this part you will need a paper towel and all of the products that the kit brought. Make sure that you open all of them because you will be using them at the same time. The activator does not bring a brush. So first you will grab the gel and apply it onto the nail. That will be the first step right there. And then you grab the cleaner brush and dip it on the activator and apply the activator directly on top of the gel that we just applied. The reason why this kit brings a cleaner is so that it can melt away the activator product so that the brush does not get hard. So then you go ahead and continue the same steps. You grab the gel, you apply it on the nail, and then you grab the brush cleaner and dip it on the activator and apply it on top of the gel. I did it 4 times because I wanted to make sure that my nails were nice and hard, but the instruction says to do it 3 times, but I did it 1 more time. So the reason we have a paper towel is to clean off the excess of the activator so that we can dip it back into the brush cleaner so that it can melt away the product. Make sure that you work quickly because these products dry very fast. And once you're done doing all of the steps, make sure you end with the gel, not the activator. The gel will dry and the activator will stay a little bit like humid. So it's best to end with the gel once you're done with the whole process. And the gel is kind of like a glue, so it will dry really fast. So this is how the nails look after applying the products. They look super shiny. They are very, very hard. I could honestly leave them like this. And look at the sides. They look very even. All right, so now for the fun part. I go ahead and I grab one of my nail files and I start filing my nails to my desired size and shape. This takes longer for me because I am a perfectionist and I like all my nails to look even. So take your time. And as you could see, I filed them down very low because I wanted them to look very natural. So now you just grab your preferred nail polish. I grabbed this OPI half past nude nail polish. And I go ahead and paint my nails like I normally would. I usually do 3 coats of the nail polish depending on how pigmented and how bright the color is. For this one I did 3. And then I end with a fast drying nail polish. I did not show it here in the video. But I really like this process. It was very fast. It only took me 40 minutes to do this, and that was because this was my first time doing it and I was also recording the video. So I think this will take me less than 40 minutes the next time I do it. I definitely recommend this for beginners, and this is the final look. They look super natural. They are very hard. These nails lasted me up to 2 weeks and they did not break whatsoever. So I do recommend this product 100%. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Hopefully you guys decide to give it a try, and if you do, please let me know on the comment section down below. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.